Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the visible stars and galaxies? Imagine standing on the brink of the ocean at night, the water stretching endlessly into the darkness. Now picture that ocean as the universe, and the darkness as the unknown that lies beyond the edge of our cosmic vista. This vast expanse of space teeming with galaxies, stars, and planets represents only a fraction of what might exist beyond. The boundary of the observable universe is not just a frontier for astrophysicists, it's a canvas for the imagination. It raises profound questions. Is there an end, or does it stretch on infinitely? Every star a person sees, every galaxy that a telescope brings into clarity is part of this observable universe. Yet what remains unseen stirs both scientific inquiry and philosophical debate. This curiosity about the unknown has not only propelled humanity into space, but has also led us to ponder our place within this vast cosmic arena. Join us as we delve into the depths of this cosmic mystery. First, let's clarify what we mean by the observable universe. When we gaze up at the night sky, the stars and galaxies we see are not just points of light, but are snapshots of the past. This is because light, even traveling at the incredible speed of 186,000 miles per second, takes time to travel from these distant objects to our eyes. The observable universe, therefore, is the region of space around us, from which light has had time to reach us since the beginning of the cosmic expansion, about 13.8 billion years ago. This sphere extends about 93 billion light-years in diameter, a distance that might seem unfathomable. But remember, this does not represent all there is, just all we can see. Within this sphere, the cosmic light horizon marks the edge beyond which light has not had enough time to reach us. This horizon is not a physical boundary, but a dynamic one, constantly expanding as the universe itself expands. As time progresses, light from more distant parts of the universe finally has enough time to travel across space and reach us, slowly unveiling more of the cosmic stage. So, within this vast expanse, what might lie beyond? What theories do scientists propose about the edge of our universe? When we gaze up at the night sky, the limits of the cosmos beckon us with a whisper of mystery. One prevailing idea is that the universe might actually be infinite. Imagine spreading out in all directions endlessly. This concept challenges our understanding of boundaries and edges, suggesting that if you journey far enough, you could keep going forever without ever encountering a wall that marks the end. Another fascinating proposal is the multiverse theory. This theory posits not just one universe, but potentially an infinite number of universes, each with its own laws of physics and unique constellations. Picture this: our universe as just one page in a vast library of cosmic volumes. Each book in this library could be drastically different from the next, or subtly varied like editions of the same novel, with minor revisions. Then, there's the concept of a closed universe, a model where if you travel far enough in one direction, you eventually loop back to your starting point. It's akin to living on the surface of a sphere. No matter which way you go, you end up where you began. This theory turns the universe into a kind of cosmic donut, bending space back onto itself. Each theory brings its own fascinating implications and paradoxes. These theories stretch our imagination and challenge our perceptions of reality. They invite us to ponder not just where the universe ends, but what it means to even speak of an end. Is it a physical boundary, a looping point, or simply an endless expanse? As we delve deeper into these concepts, we find more questions than answers. Yet, this is the beauty of cosmology. It invites us to explore, to theorize, and to dream about the ultimate frontiers of the cosmos. Each theory brings its own fascinating implications and paradoxes. Let's explore the intriguing paradoxes of an infinite universe. Imagine, if you will, a universe without end. An expanse so vast that it stretches beyond any boundary, any limit we can conceive. This is the concept of an infinite universe, an idea that not only stretches the fabric of space but also the limits of human understanding. Now let's dive into one of the most fascinating paradoxes arising from this concept, the monkey typewriter paradox. Picture an infinite number of monkeys typing away at an infinite number of typewriters for an infinite amount of time. The paradox suggests that, given enough time, these monkeys would almost surely type out not only every book in the Library of Congress, but every possible combination of letters, ever. This includes every book that has yet to be written. Mind-boggling, isn't it? This paradox challenges our perceptions of randomness and infinity, suggesting that infinite resources could yield every conceivable outcome. Next, we encounter the Boltzmann brane problem, a conundrum that arises directly from the laws of thermodynamics and the concept of entropy. In an infinite universe, it's theorized that random fluctuations of energy could spontaneously form a self-aware entity, a Boltzmann brane. These branes, appearing out of nowhere, might have memories and experiences just like ours, completely formed by chance. This poses a profound question: could we ourselves be mere fluctuations? Perhaps our entire universe is just a temporary arrangement of particles, one of countless such arrangements across an infinite cosmos. These paradoxes not only challenge the traditional views of cosmology, but also force us to question the very nature of reality. Is space truly infinite? If so, what does that mean for the concept of uniqueness in the universe? Are we just one of an infinite number of possible universes, each playing out every imaginable scenario? These paradoxes not only puzzle but also expand our thinking about the cosmos. Could everything in the universe be part of a cyclical process repeating over and over? Imagine a universe where every event, every moment loops back to its beginning, a carousel of cosmic events spinning through time. This idea isn't just the plot of a science fiction novel, it's a genuine scientific and philosophical inquiry known as the theory of eternal recurrence. The concept of eternal recurrence has been mulled over by minds as ancient as the Stoics and as revolutionary as Nietzsche. But it's not just a philosophical fancy, it extends into the realm of cosmology, where scientists today explore similar concepts through what's known as cyclic models of the universe. In these models, the universe undergoes an infinite series of expansions and contractions. Picture the universe as a great lung, inhaling and exhaling in great cosmic breaths. Each breath out represents a Big Bang, where the universe expands from a singular point into the vast cosmos we observe today. Then, as if drawn by a cosmic sigh, the universe exhales, retracting back to a point in a big crunch, only to begin anew. This cyclic universe model is bolstered by certain interpretations of string theory and the behavior of dark energy, mysterious forces and dimensions that we are only beginning to understand. These theories suggest that the death of one universe could lead to the birth of another in a perpetual cycle of cosmic rebirth. But why does this matter? If the universe is cyclical, then the beginnings are as common as endings, and what we perceive as the universe's lifespan is but a single breath in an eternal sequence of resurgences. This challenges our very notions of time and existence, suggesting that our universe, and everything within it, might not be a linear march from birth to death, but an everlasting loop. This cyclical view of the universe offers a mesmerizing perspective on our existence. What do these theories tell us about our place in the cosmos? Delving into the depths of cosmological theories not only expands our understanding of the universe, but also profoundly impacts our philosophical perspectives. As we explore the possibilities of an infinite universe or a cyclical nature of existence, we are compelled to rethink our notions of life, purpose, and our own significance. Imagine a universe that stretches out endlessly, where our galaxy is but one of countless others. In such a vast expanse, the idea of infinity challenges the very essence of uniqueness. If there are infinite versions of ourselves in our world, what does that say about our individual significance? Does it diminish our sense of uniqueness, or does it empower us with a broader connection to the cosmos? Now consider the concept of a cyclical universe, where all events are destined to repeat themselves. This notion of eternal recurrence forces us to question the linearity of time and our progress within it. If our lives and actions are bound to recur, how does this influence our understanding of free will and destiny? Are our choices truly our own, or are they predestined echoes of a cosmic pattern? These cosmological insights do not just reshape our understanding of the universe, they invite us to reflect on the philosophical underpinnings of our existence. They encourage us to consider our place in a broader, possibly infinite context, and to confront the implications of such a reality on our personal and collective philosophies. As we ponder these vast ideas, we find more questions than answers. As we reach the end of today's cosmic journey, the mysteries of the universe continue to captivate us. We've traversed from the boundaries of the observable universe to the thrilling proposition of infinite realms beyond our own. The concept of an edge to our universe, a boundary where one might seamlessly transition into another universe, invites us to rethink our perceptions of reality. We delved deep into the paradoxes of an infinite universe where the laws of physics and probability challenge our understanding. And yet, The idea of a cyclical universe, one that endlessly repeats its history, offers a poetic notion of eternal return, a universe breathing in and out in a grand cosmic rhythm. These explorations are not just scientific pursuits, they are philosophical journeys that encourage us to ponder the very nature of existence and our place within it. Reflect on these concepts, discuss them, and let the vastness of the universe inspire your thoughts and dreams. If you enjoyed this journey through space and existential thought, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Spacedude channel for more intriguing content. Until next time, keep looking beyond the stars.